What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. As you guys can see, well, as you guys can see from the title, we're doing an unboxing in the Big Red Boots. I got this. I don't know if that shows my mail, but I'm not putting it out there. Got this. It's a promo code for the bottom. Yeah, that's pretty much what it is. Yeah, but damn, but this is it. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing before my camera dies. If it dies, I'm just gonna have to switch over to my iPhone. But this is what I got in it. It's the box. This is the box. You guys can see. Is my address on the side? I really hope not, because I'm not really sure my address, but this is what it looks like, the box. I told you guys I did open it already, but yeah. Three, two, one. Oh, what am I doing? But yeah, this is what they look like. Surprisingly, the box is very heavy. Very heavy. I don't know why. It's very heavy. Yeah, I mean, very heavy. The shoe stinks. Like, it smells like nail polish remover. Oh yeah, and we got this Mischief little card. Mischief. Sorry, I just had a brain fart moment. Yeah, comes with the other ones too. Yeah, I don't even know. Like, bro, they're mad heavy. I don't even know. Like, wearing these to school is just crazy. But yes, I will be wearing these to school. If you guys want to see that video, that will be coming out soon. But for now, put it back. As you guys can see, I got the StockX verification right there. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. I mean, yeah, basically the end of the video. So, oh yeah, let me show you guys something. What is it? But we're really gonna be looking like a real Power Ranger, bro. When I go back to school on Monday. Got the spray gun backpack, the Casper. I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it. But that's the end of the video. If you guys get this video up to like 1,000 likes at least, or like 1,000 views. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.